Hey YouTubers! Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to another great day of cooking. My name is Eric.
I'm Kaden.
And I'm Devin, aka the boys.
Alright, well first of all, congratulations to the class of 2020. For many of you guys, it is graduation day today. And what happens after graduation is the start of summer.
Yes.
And what better way to kick off summer is with some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Alright, so today's episode is all going to be about ice cream, but we're going to kick it up a notch by doing a white rabbit candy ice cream. Who's had this in the past?
Me. It's very yummy, and there's like this cream rice wrapper on. At first I thought it was paper, but then people told me you can eat it.
Really?
It's edible.
Yeah, so this is a Chinese candy that dates back to the 1950s. For many of you guys, this will give you some nostalgia, but we're going to convert this candy into an ice cream format. So who's ready for ice cream?
Me.
You scream.
We scream.
We all scream
For White Rabbit Ice Cream.
Actually, it looks more like a smoothie, but we just froze.
So what up, guys? So we're before we put it inside this machine by Whynter Ice Cream machine, we're going to open this up. And since the wrapper is edible, we're gonna get some of these.
Rabbit candy.
Not a lot, because it might not fit.
Not the wrapper. The wrapper's not edible. So we'll just show you very quickly. I'm not gonna eat one, but as you can see, when you open it,
It's this
there's
stuff.
like this. Yeah, see this? It looks like paper, right?
Yeah, just
But
put it in.
It's actually edible. It's like rice paper. It doesn't taste like anything.
It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't taste like
it's
anything.
just- I don't know
It's
why.
like bland, like rice. So
Oh.
time lapse. Guys, I wouldn't suggest eating the rice paper though, cause like if you're only gonna eat one, it doesn't taste that good.
I
It
know,
kind of.
but you're supposed to eat them all together. So
Yeah.
I think it's for like crunchy. I don't know.
I don't know. What
I
it's
really
for.
don't know.
Why do they even add rice paper? We don't know, and we don't care.
Dun, dun. Okay, guys. You know why they call this
Last
white
one?
rabbit candy?
I don't
So-
think this is enough. So we
You might need more.
Okay, we're gonna do this. Just this. This should be good.
Guys, if you actually look, there's actually a lot of rice paper here because it's very flaky. So if you don't
That's why
want
I'm
to make
doing
a
it
mess,
over here.
if you don't want to make it mess, either take out very carefully or just eat the whole wrapper by itself.
Not a good idea though.
This wrapper, you can't eat this wrapper. This one's toxic.
That one's paper and ink. Yuck. Okay guys, so right here we have half a cup of milk and a cup of heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna pour it into here. This is the milk. Got it all in there. Nice. And then we put the heavy whipping cream. Oh yeah, look how thick that is. That's like thick milk. There's some right here, just put that in there. And now we go over, put that there.
Watch this. It will be on the stove, okay?
And here is the microwave.
Okay, guys. So this is it heavy?
Huh? Nope. Just don't want to spill. And then we have to put it in for 30 seconds.
Okay, guys.
It's ready.
Oh.
So it's not
It
gonna
doesn't
be
even
hot
look
yet.
that melted.
I know, not yet. First, you just have to mix it around a little and then close it
If you look,
and then put it in for a
saw,
minute.
there's actually some chunks in there because it melted and then like separated.
It didn't melt yet. We have to put it in for 1 minute. We just have to mix it around so it doesn't like go all sticky together.
Guys, look, I'm the white rabbit. Doing. Did you see that? I could jump super high. We can do it again.
Whilst we're waiting for the microwave to finish, let me show you something cool. Whoa! I think it actually worked. Hold on. Whoa, it worked.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. It
A lot
actually
more
worked.
melted now.
Look at that. It looks like rice paper.
Guys,
So-
it smells really good. It smells like
So
rice.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a towel and we're gonna transfer it onto the table like this. Guys, you might want to cook it longer than us because right now there's still a little more chunks like this.
Yeah, probably like
Like
3
this.
minutes.
See. So we're just gonna.
But be careful
Time
because
up
if you
mixing
stir too aggressively, it might spill it.
Oh, it's melting a little. It's melting.
It's melted. Maybe a little more, like 30 seconds.
This.
Okay, what's up, guys? So, anyways, we have this Whynter ice cream maker, but it doesn't only make ice cream. If you look closely, it actually makes ice cream, yogurt, cooling, and also just mixing.
Oh yeah, it cools it down. So
Yeah.
like there's. If you're wondering why it's so big, it's because
Yeah.
there's like
fan
room
probably.
for like a fan to cool it down.
Okay, but the default time for the ice cream is 60 minutes. So, anyways, we're gonna pour our mixture of doom into this place right here. So just wait.
Wow. That looks amazing.
So I'm just gonna use this ice cream scooper which we have just in the meantime. Put all the unmelted chunks in. So close it. If you see this arrow, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. And see this thing or like this thing? I'll put it on this one. You put the arrow facing there and you turn left and now it's locked, see? And if you want to put extra ingredients, you just lift open this tab and it's here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna push start. And I don't know if it'll make sense, let's go. Whoa.
Look at that. Look at that.
We'll open
It's gonna
it
get
so we
very-
can see.
Whoa.
It's gonna get very cold too. Let's see something.
Let me actually just. It's not cold right now. It's like mediocre.
Yeah, so we're just gonna leave this for 59 minutes. See you then. Okay guys, so remember what the ice cream looked like before? Look at it now. Wow, it looks a lot better now, right? So anyways, I just kept it on cooling section so it stays cool. And with this ice cream scooper, I'm just gonna scoop some. I'll just scoop it from like here or something. Oh my, this is so like creamy.
Welcome back, guys. It's time to do the taste test. This is our White Rabbit ice cream. Check this out. Check this out.
When we first did it, actually looked more like a smoothie, but we just froze it for a little. And then now, look at it. It's actually like ice cream.
Yeah, so
So before we start, you want to taste the
Yeah,
candy?
let's just
yeah, actually, so we're gonna taste this White Rabbit candy just as is and show you guys what it looks like. So when you undo the wrapper, you will see that there's a another layer here with this like what?
I think me and Devin found out why the rice paper thingy.
The rice paper, right?
Yeah, because it
It's
sticks.
because last time we opened one, a defective one, and it didn't have the rice paper, and it was stuck to the wrapper.
Oh, really?
So I think this just helps it get unstuck.
All right, so let's take a bite of the candy by
But
itself.
We have to eat it all of it,
All of it at once?
because it's hard to
Three.
chew through.
3, 2, 1.
Mm.
It's like a milk taffy.
It's so hard.
It is a little hard, but
If we have sensitive teeth to like pressure, maybe skip this.
it's like taffy. But milky flavor, right? It's quite good. Well, kind of sweet.
But not too sweet.
Not
What's
too
it called?
sweet.
White Rabbit.
Yeah, why is it called White Rabbit? Do you guys know? We certainly don't. If you
Maybe
do,
it's-
comment below.
That looks like a French fry.
Yeah? So, we found this at the local Chinese supermarket. And I think that's your best bet if you're gonna find this. You're not gonna find this at your standard Albertsons or your Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. So you gotta go to an Asian grocery store to find this. And pretty good chance of finding it if you go to an Asian grocery store. So
You just have to look.
you have to look.
So let's
Alright.
try this.
Let's try our ice cream. First bite.
Hid one inside of here.
Whoa, look at this. It's actually like sliding around.
It looked very good.
It's like sliding around if you can look. So
Okay.
anyway,
Guys, look at this.
Okay. You guys ready?
uh-huh.
First bite.
No? Wow.
Here we go. Oh,
It's like,
that is good.
uh-huh.
Oh
Even
my
though-
goodness.
Milk hurts my stomach, I would eat this.
This is like the richest, tastiest vanilla ice cream that I've ever had. I think this is fantastic. Oh my goodness. Oh, if I could eat this every day, I really would.
You'll probably become like extremely
Fat.
big.
And oh, look, we put some small
Like chunks, right?
chunks. You can see the chunks of White Rabbit candy in here. Look at this.
I freezed it, and then I chopped it up with a knife, and then, yeah.
And
Yeah.
also, when we didn't melt some,
Yeah.
we just put the chunks in that were melted.
Yeah. So we used an entire bag, and you might think it's crazy sweet by using an entire bag, but it's just right.
Yeah. Because
For the
this
amount of
isn't-
ice cream-
This isn't that sweet.
Yeah, it's not that sweet. For the amount of ice cream that we made, I think we made a portion for
like five.
5 people.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 or 6 people, and
We
an
just
entire.
we used 2 bags.
Oh, sorry. We used 2 bags for a serving of 5. And how much milk do we use?
2 cups, I think.
No.
2
no, 3.
3 cups of
no.
milk.
2.5.
No, 2.5.
2.5 cups of milk.
And then cream 2.
And then we also have heavy whipping cream. So there's only 3 ingredients in this ice cream. So super easy, super clean. And then obviously we use that Whynter ice cream maker to do the heavy lifting for us. And that only takes about 60 minutes for the ice cream to be completed. And let the refrigeration do the magic. And
There's a frozen thing, and come and listen to this.
oh,
It was like the frozen candy crunches.
yeah. Oh man. Well, this is a great start to summer. We're so happy to have come across this recipe. In fact, I didn't even know about this until recently. But give us a big thumbs up on this video if you enjoy us going through the process of making this White Rabbit candy ice cream.
It's not that bad of a process.
It's not. It's really simple.
It's easy. You just leave it there.
Yeah.
I mean, it might cost a lot.
Yeah.
If you wanna just make a machine do it.
Yeah, yeah. But happy to do this all over again. It's very, very easy. Not gonna take you long. So leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to have engagements with you guys.
And please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed.
And hit that notification bell down below so you get notified when we upload new content like this.
Awesome. Well, that's a wrap, guys, for White Rabbit candy ice cream, and we're out.
See ya.
See ya.